Guys, welcome back. So for today's video I'm sharing with you this look which is very simple, very easy, and it's for Eid. So let's get started. I'm starting off with my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and applying this all over my face. Now keep in mind this is a 5 product makeup look, which means I'm only using 5 products and I've tried to keep them under budget as well. So yes, hopefully this video is going to be helpful. So then I'm taking the Sugar Cosmetics face palette, and it has a contour, highlight and blush. So I'm using the contour part of it and contouring my face with it. It surely defines your face. Like, the color of the contour is perfect. It's the perfect cool tone brown, and I really like this palette in general. It also comes in different shades, so if you are from the deeper skin tone you will find your own colors, so that is not a problem with this. I'm also applying this on my jawline to hide the double chin. Then I took the blush, which is a beautiful pink, and I'm just applying this on the apples of my cheeks. It gives a beautiful flash of color to the face. It's really pretty. And then moving on to the highlight, which is blinding. It's not the most finely milled highlight. It is slightly glittery, but then it looks gorgeous in pictures and everything, so it's really pretty. So I'm just applying this on the highest points of my face, my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin. Then I'm taking Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal and I am filling in my eyebrows with it. I know you're not supposed to fill in your brows with anything black, but we are on like a limit of 5 products and I'm trying to use as many products in multiple ways. I'm using my lightest hand and also I'm filling it in. I'm not defining my brows, I'm not lining anything, just filling them in so they do look natural. Then for my eyes I went on with the same kajal and I'm applying it on my upper lash line. So I went in from inner corner to outer corner and from thin to thicker line. It doesn't have to be very clean because we are going to smudge it out. I'm going to take my contour powder and then smudge out the upper lash line. It looks really beautiful. You don't have to use like a brown powder. You can smudge it as it is, but I just feel like it gives a really nice smudged out smoky look. So yes, and then I also took the highlighter from the same palette and I applied it all over my lids to give it some dimension and make my eyes look wide open. And then I also went in again with the same kajal, very thinly this time on my upper lash line, very close to my lash line. Then I apply the same kajal on my lower lash line as well. It's a really nice kajal, by the way. It stays on for really long. So yes, and then I smudged it out again with the same brown powder to give it a smoky soft effect. So yes, then I elongated that lower lash line to add a little dimension to the otherwise very basic look. It looks really pretty. If you think this will not suit your eye shape, then just skip on it, but I find it really pretty. Then I went in with my mascara and I'm coating my upper and lower lashes with this. This is one of my favorite mascaras. You can go in with falsies if you want, that's completely your choice, but this mascara is really great as well and you really don't need falsies with this. So yes, finally for my lips I went in with Matte Me 415, which forgot to show you, like I lost the clip. But yes, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. If you recreate this look, share it with me, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.